What do athletes need? Strong bodies, power, flexibility, skill. And what does broadcasting need for dynamic sports, live? Real-time high-definition broadcasting requires the perfectionism of professionals. It requires solid technology to realize the full impact of athletic performance. Staff have to rush to prepare for live broadcasting. There's always the possibility of accidents, trouble. But highly reliable optical composite cables reflect the technological prowess of their developers and are able to stand up to professional use. Limitless confidence in quality, product capability, relentless product testing is the key to further progress.
It has to be tough and flexible for professional work. That's everything.
Today, broadcasting content is going through an era of innovation. Pictures must be more realistic and higher resolution. These needs can be met by high-definition TV, and HD TV cameras need optical composite cables. Let's compare a triaxial cable and an HD TV camera optical composite cable to see up to what distance HD TV data can be transmitted over each. When the distance gets longer, a triaxial cable simply cannot transmit the data. With a collinear outside diameter triaxial, the limit is 100 meters. But optical fiber composite cable can handle long-distance transmission and is ideal for HD TV. The difference between triaxial and optical cable stability is obvious. Only optical fiber composite cable can transmit large data volumes at high speed. In today's era of digital HD TV broadcasting, the use of optical composite cable is expanding exponentially. Optical composite cable is used in stadiums, live broadcasting vans, and studios. Japan is the world leader in the shift to optical cable. Based on its world-leading optical fiber technology, Furukawa supplies optical composite cables for HD TV cameras to major users like TV stations and enjoys an overwhelming share of the market. Prompted by the World Cup and Olympic Games, broadcasters are increasingly changing to high definition, which uses optical composite cable when covering major events. Europe and now China, with the Beijing Olympics, countries around the world are rapidly changing to fiber optics in broadcasting. Demand for optical composite cable for HD TV cameras is growing rapidly everywhere, and our tough and flexible products are already used extensively all over the world. Furukawa leads in bendable TV camera optical composite cable using tough fiber with a minimum bending radius of 15 millimeters, half that of existing products. Its high lateral pressure resistance, high bending durability, and low loss help realize stable performance and innovative products. video quality that users can trust.
To guarantee that, let's demonstrate eye strength in tests.
First, let's look at the cable's durability when subject to tight bending. By using existing Furukawa electric original optical fiber able to be bent double, we achieve high durability performance able to withstand tight bending. TV camera cable is bent frequently when used in the field where broadcasts are actually made and must be highly durable. This is a test of repeated bending, one of the most important features of cables. Furukawa's optical composite cables pass prolonged testing involving more than 10,000 bends. The durability to withstand complex bending. In grueling cyclic flexing tests using a pulley, large loads are placed on the cable. Even so, the cable shows its durability by passing the 10,000 cycle two-way flexing test. Composite cables also undergo tests to verify their lateral pressure strength. Even though two cables might look the same, they can have very different characteristics depending on know-how relating to the materials used and the positioning of their cores. When we apply lateral pressure to a competitor's optical cable, it begins to fail at 800 kilograms, and when the pressure exceeds 1,000 kilograms, it can no longer carry HD data. But tests show that Furukawa cables can transmit even at 1,500 kilograms of pressure. Out there in the field where broadcasts are made, optical composite cables are often dragged about and so must be wear-resistant. Furukawa cables use highly wear-resistant materials and pass wear tests involving thousands of repeated abrasions.
そうですね、現場っていうのは結構過酷な撮影環境になることが多いんですよね。ですのでケーブルはどんな運用にも耐えられる強さというか耐久性が求められますね。やはり我々ケーブルを使う人間が信頼できるトラブルの起きないものを提供してもらえることが一番重要な点だと思いますね。
Because our optical composite cables are tough and flexible, they're recognized as being reliable enough to stand up to the demands of broadcasting in the field. They enjoy an enviable reputation among large numbers of Japanese and other users and are recognized as the top brand of HDTV camera optical composite cables.
このハイビジョン編集室を作るときにはいろいろ調べてみたんですけど、やはり局の技術部門に評価されていて、導入実績もあるケーブルを採用したいと思いました。ケーブルの作り方、使い方、コネクターの取り付けなどを総合的に開発し取り扱っている古川さんのケーブルはとても安心できます。
This verification testing demonstrates the superiority of Furukawa's optical composite cables. Their durability has been improved to the very limits of possibility, with high reliability even when subject to repeated irregular movement.
Our HDTV optical composite cables have no weakness.
Furukawa's HDTV optical composite cables are known for reliability. The backbone of this high reliability is Furukawa's optical technologies. Furukawa is not only the world's first company to make cable out of optical fiber, it also absorbed the optical operations of Lucent Technologies. As one of the top 2 integrated fiber optics makers in the world, Furukawa now leads the industry with cutting-edge technology and optical fiber characteristics, and has achieved the highest technological levels. Furukawa has developed leading-edge technologies in mobile cables in the electric power and optical composite fields. The level of that accumulated mobile cable design and manufacturing know-how makes us a clear leader in our industry. Furukawa is also developing advanced materials in the company labs for cable materials such